Hey beauty, it's New Year's Eve. I have my hair and makeup done already because I spent the day doing a beauty refresh to start off the new year. I toned my hair, laminated my brows. I filmed all that for TikTok. So if you don't already follow me over there, go check out my TikTok page. I try to share different content on all my platforms. I do actually share a New Year's resolutions video every year. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and share it in this vlog and make it a little bit more casual this year. I'm hosting a party, so I do have a bunch of Amazon decorations that I need to set up. Yeah, it's about 5:39 right now, so I figured that would give me time to set up decorations, do all the dips in the slow cooker. I got this really cool slow cooker that has 3 little pots as a Christmas gift this year, and I've already used it. I'm so excited for it. My mom sent me this jalapeno popper recipe from Pinterest, and it's supposed to be in a cheese bowl, but I'm not trying to do all that, so I'm just gonna make it into a dip. Okay, we're all mixed up. That was good. I'm gonna put this in the fridge. Not before I take like 4 more bites of it. It's so good. I did go ahead and just add some Velveeta, some sweet and spicy, and then Hawaiian little weenies. I figured these would be good little finger foods. You can put it on at different levels. So I have that one on high and then these on low. It also does go down to warm. I love that so much. Josh just called that he's on his way from work, which is amazing. So I can have him hang all the banners, but I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing the table setup. Fun little party trick for these napkins is to take the top napkin and spin it around. Keep spinning. And then eventually you have a nice little fan. Look how cute that looks. I'm gonna set these champagne bottles in here and let them sit on ice till midnight. Josh is bringing us some ice, and then of course I got the kids one. But I also got these little gold markers so people could write their names on their glasses. Okay. Oh, these are so cute. I put Josh to work as soon as he came home, hanging up all these fun little banners. I got 2 separate kits from Amazon, and one came with a balloon banner. So I'm just setting that up with everything that it came with. It's like a clear little string that has holes in it, so you can just poke the ends of the balloons through there, and they do usually last a long time. I kept this balloon banner up for like 3 days after New Year's Eve, and it held up great. That's the New Year's Eve setup. I did actually add some meat and cheese to the charcuterie board, but we had a great night and everything ended up looking so cute. I got my nails done and my outfit on. All my friends are literally here, so I went with something a little more casual than the corset since I'm just chilling at home. We're gonna go take a shot now. It is 10:08. If I don't see you at midnight, Happy New Year's! It's officially 2023, and so this tree has got to go. While I'm taking apart the tree, let's go ahead and talk New Year's resolutions, because I love to start off the year just having a plan and having goals in place. I know it's cliche and some people don't really believe in it, but I totally do, and I feel like it's a new start, a good refresh. I've never actually made what's it called? Like a mood board? I don't know why I'm blanking on what it's called, but I think I'm gonna make one and just put it as my backdrop of my computer, because I am on my computer a lot. I'll probably just do it in like Canva and Google all the images. One of my biggest New Year's resolutions is to spend more time with friends. Also reconnect with my husband, like in an adult setting, like socially, you know, because of course we're around each other all the time, but it's always like with the kids and we're always in like parenting mode. So I feel like that side of our relationship like doesn't get brought out a lot. So I think it's gonna be fun and a good way for Josh and I to just build on our relationship. I also feel like I want to do more things socially with the boys because they've played a couple seasons of soccer, but I want to get them into more sports. I do have a lot of goals as far as work-wise, and I feel like I'm probably going to be focusing more on TikTok this year. I will never stop doing YouTube because I do love making long-form content, but I feel like I've been noticing a lot of people's views tank on YouTube just because TikTok is just easier to log into. It's short form videos and people's attention spans are a lot smaller. I do also really want to focus on vlog style videos because I feel like those sit down like in front of the camera type of videos, while you get to know my personality just a little bit, it's like barely breaking the surface, and I want to get to know you more. I started my YouTube channel to build friendships because I was a lonely stay-at-home mom, and I just wanted a creative outlet that would help me, you know, just socialize on the internet. It does get overwhelming trying to focus on all three, so I've been trying to like take a step back from one, and that one is Instagram, just because I have a love-hate relationship with Instagram. Let's be honest. So hard to grow. It's so hard to be seen. But at the same time, it is fun, and I do connect with y'all in polls, in the stories, and DMs, and I've stepped away from that, so I kind of want to try and get back to that, and I think that'll be easier if I do have more free time away from just editing all my videos. So if you know a video editor, let me know. I think I want to get a shelf or something to put right here and maybe hold all my bags. What do you think? I still have a bunch of Christmas presents and some PR packages over here that I need to organize. Figured I would unpack all of this while we talk about more resolutions. I love these Madison Reed towels. I just wish that they had like some sort of tie at the top because I have these. And they're a little bit more convenient, but I feel like this one gets my hair drier. I just use one of these little alligator clips to hold it up, but I do really love these. There's the other one right here. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It has the little stand. Josh did good with this because I told him I wanted some new brushes. I love that this has a stand and a mirror, which I'm always losing my mirror, so I'm gonna keep that here on my desk. Another huge goal of mine is to start an Amazon, like actual storefront store where I order product from AliExpress and then sell it on Amazon. Because I know Amazon is very helpful with like small businesses like that. So I was kind of thinking about starting off with press-on nails and maybe eyelashes. I've thought about it in the past, and I've even like looked it up because I used to shop on AliExpress all the time. I stopped because the shipping was taking too long and also the pandemic hit. I'm really contemplating it because I think that would be fun, and I've always wanted to start my own like little boutique. But I feel like getting into clothing as a small business who, like, I don't want to take out a business loan or anything. I just want to start small and invest my own money and see if it's successful. So that's why I'm thinking about starting off small with like nails and eyelashes. Maybe it can grow into, you know, bulk ordering clothes and maybe doing that through Amazon. But Amazon's been very supportive of my channel for a long time. So I feel like that's like the perfect spot for me. I think it could be fun. I just need to look into it a little bit more. Josh is so good about getting me perfumes, and this year he went with the Jimmy Choo line. All of the Jimmy Choo perfumes that he got smell so nice. Oh my gosh, I'm really loving these Jimmy Choo ones right now. So if you're looking to add to your collection and you haven't smelled the Jimmy Choo ones, I totally recommend. I don't buy myself perfume a lot because I'm someone who kind of forgets to spray perfume, but Josh has been really good about building my collection the past couple Christmases. Maybe I should make that a resolution, is to spray myself down with perfume every single day. And also he's so good about getting me sheet masks. I'm probably gonna do one today because my skin feels so dry. He found these at Ross. Look, they're invigorating bum sheet masks. $2.99. I'm not mad at him for that. He got me the whole lineup of these. Oh, I did get this big organizer for this Fendi tote, and it's satin and it's so cute. I've had the felt ones before and I don't really like them. I feel like they look cheap, but this one looks so nice. They do have several different sizes. It does have pockets and a zipper on the inside, and this side right here is a water bottle holder. Isn't that so cute? It did also come in other colors. Josh also got me this Kylie lip kit in the color 808, which I would have never picked out, but it actually doesn't look that pink of a color. So I kind of feel like he did a good job, but I want to try it on. It's actually a really nice nude. Oh my God, that is so cute. Okay, I'm liking this. Nice and pinky. He did a good job with this. Josh also got this 12 Days of Beauty advent calendar, but he wrapped it up, so I haven't been able to open it up. Number one is a xoxo. I'm probably saying that wrong. I'm sorry if I am. I actually don't have one of these. Ooh, I'm gonna keep this here in my beauty room so I can do it before I do my makeup. Ooh, tweezers. I can never have too many tweezers. Oh, it's a cute little pink bath poof. 4 is a face sponge. Oh, it's like one of those cleansing sponges. I also need to put that in my bathroom. Oh, nail files. Ooh, an eyelash curler. I feel like I can never have too many of these, and one of mine just recently got messed up, so this is a nice welcome addition. It says Jessica Simpson right there on the front. Oh, some exfoliating gloves. I love this pink color. A makeup remover towel. Oh, it's a nice little baby pink. A spa headband. I'm actually gonna keep that here in my beauty room. Ooh, look at that. I might keep this one here in my beauty room too, just to use it before I do my makeup. Oh, that feels so nice. Number 11, Super Hydration Sheet Mask. Add that to my mask collection. Oh, some little nail clippers. They say Jessica Simpson is so cute. Oh, that was fun. Josh has become a good Christmas gift giver. I will give him that. He is so good at finding good stuff. And he's always like, you're so hard to shop for, but literally this was the best gift ever. And I tell him, anything that says beauty, buy it. And we're good. I'm sure I will love it. From Wella, we got the Nutra Enrich Deep Nourishing Shampoo. The Deep Nourishing Conditioner nourishes dry or stressed hair, leaving it full of vitality. It says it's made with goji berry. It smells really good. And then this one is the Nutra Enrich with goji berry Wonder Balm. It's a leave-in balm for dry or stressed hair. I kind of want to try this. My hair is so dry right now. I just did a gloss, so it is looking pretty shiny, but it's been bleached so many times. Oh, that is another New Year's resolution, is to grow my hair back out. I want my hair long again so bad. I'm considering extensions, but I kind of don't want to do extensions because they do cause damage. I have the conditioner from Amazon in the color mocha, and I might just put that in my hair because I don't really want to keep bleaching it, but I also don't want to get rid of this color because it was hard work getting here. So I don't know, I'm like on the fence. Usually I think about changing my hair for like a month before I actually change it. Josh has been saying to do red because I haven't done red in so long, but I guess if I am planning on not bleaching it and growing it out, then I can just go over it with a dark brown when I'm over the red. What do we think? Should I go red and then brown? Because I feel like I might be okay with that. I do think that I want to rearrange this room a little, bring that shelf back out here so I can display my bags and the sunglasses and stuff that I have over here, because I'm feeling a little cluttered. I need some change for the new year. We'll save that for another vlog. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and Happy New Year. I hope you have some good resolutions, and 2023 is gonna be a great year. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.